Hi, this is Janet from Try It, Like It, Create It, and today I want to show you some basic steps working in Cricut Design Space. We're going to start by clicking on New Project, and now we have our canvas open and we're going to work with shapes. So to begin with, I'm going to start with the square. It automatically loads onto your canvas, and here I can adjust the size just by moving it back and forth with the arrows. But the other thing I can do is control the size up here with the measurement. So if I know that I want it to be 4 inches, I can enter it in for the height and the width, and it will make the square the exact size that I need. There's a rotate tool here, and just by clicking and dragging, I can rotate the box to be at whatever angle I desire. The other thing I can do is click the rotate tool and then hit the shift key, and while holding the shift key down, it's going to make jumps to the shape. Jumps to its position. The other thing I can do is I can hit the lock. You can see it's one at the top or one with the box. And if I do that, now the sides are unlocked and I can make a rectangle. I can also enter in whatever measurement I desire if I know I need a set size. By doing so, and then hitting either Tab or Return, it will jump to that size. One thing I like using this tool for is making a line that goes between text. You can make it whatever size you like, and once you have it, you can hit the lock, either the one next to the rectangle or the one at the top of the screen, and that locks its measurements, and you can then move the shape around like you normally would. This works well with all of the shapes, but particularly this circle shape. Once again, here you can change the size by clicking and dragging. You can enter in whatever measurement you know you need by hitting the Tab key. It will then jump to the next measurement of height, which will automatically make the circle that size. Unlocking it, you can now make an oval. Once you have the measurement that you want, or you're close, you can lock it into place. Here I'm close to 2 inches, but I want it to be perfectly 2 inches. So I hit that and hit the Tab key, and now I have the oval shape that I want. I'm going to place it on top of my bar, and holding the shift key down, I can then edit these two shapes. I can align these two shapes using the Align tool. I'm going to center them both vertically and horizontally. Now there's still two individual shapes, and if I were to cut this out, they would cut a line between the shapes even though they're the same color. By holding the shift key down and selecting both shapes, I can then go down to the bottom of the screen and hit the Weld key, and you will see that this turns it into one solid shape. And you'll notice it over on the right hand side of the screen that it is now one shape, and it will move around the canvas as one shape. And once again, I can rotate it, I can change the size of it, but it becomes one particular shape.